What's up guys, how's it going? Josh here, back with a brand new vlog. And we're about to go out to a car dealership for our parents. Thinking about getting a new car soon, so. Going to the car dealership, they're gonna test drive some cars and stuff. I decided why not make a vlog, because we barely go out anywhere. So, yeah, we got the food right here. Let me flip the screen. Boom. Breakfast right here. Got a Adventure Time cup. So yeah, we're about to leave. In a few. So I want to make a little intro to this video. Let's go see what Caleb's doing. Let's look at this kid. Look at this kid. Look at him just standing there.
Well, it is snowing. Look outside.
Interviewing Caleb Beard. Famous Caleb Beard. How's it going?
What's up, guys? How you doing? Playing Clash of Clans.
Vending machines are down. Here at the dealership.
Looking pretty good.
It's freaking snowing outside. Like, what is this? What is this, Dad? Why is there snow? It's randomly snowing. Yeah, the lighting is terrible. We got Caleb right here. Caleb's a celebrity.
What's up?
So cool.
Ooh, look at the now that he's got the sunroof back.
Oh my.
That's the big center?
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah.
See, these are standard.
We got a selection. Ooh. Cotton and candy.
Yeah.
Let's go, boys.
Oh yeah. Especially if we go someplace where they can have it
Oh,
open
this looks
and
crowded,
at the same
though.
time we have ours on.
Dad, the middle looks crowded. So this is a, I don't know what color I would call this. Is it brown or is it plum? Is it
Ew.
chocolate?
I don't know. Yes, you may.
Dude, it's awesome. Hey.
Yeah.
It is really dark. This annoying sound. Oh my gosh. There we go. Whoa.
You have to pick which one you like best. The sound or the fact that it's on our own. Hey,
Huh?
this one does come with the bows.
Which kind is that? Can you guys close the door so I can see the whole look of the car? I don't care about that side. Stay in.
No, I'm getting out. Okay, now I can't see your phone.
Got an even better deal on it, and it's red, and it's got a performance package, so we can
Okay.
go racing. And on the
Say hello, Dad.
hello, Dad.
Okay, guys, so now we're going to get food because, oh geez, it's so windy out here. I feel
What's
like
up, guys?
I was just live on You Now.
Blame it on me.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry.
What's up?
I was live on You Now for about an hour because I was bored. So yeah, I'm gonna go get some McDonald's. It's so windy out here, holy crap. So I'm gonna fly away.
Okay, you guys ready?
Yes.
I loved having McDonald's flag.
Oh my gosh, so cold. So cold. Holy crap. Okay, I get out, hurry. Oh jeez. Alright, Dad. Inside. It's so cold. How loud was it?
Do you not feel how cold it is? I'm here trying to Where's Dad?
He's coming. He's in. I got it for you. What the heck? Why'd you use that? Wasn't that nice? It's so cold. Ah, it's so cold. let's go. Let's go. Kev. Here, it's all up to you.
Josh, stop, man. You're in the middle.
And my face is on
Here,
the
I'll catch you.
Hey, what the heck? I got.
What's up,
No,
guys?
You scoot over. You're in the middle. Kev.
Yeah.
I won't be able to climb over you.
What is up, you guys?
How's it
We're
going?
in the car right now.
You're all blurry.
Y'all didn't bring drinks, did you?
No.
Yes.
Someone watch his drink. Caleb,
What the heck are you doing?
make sure he's protected back there.
Okay, guys, we just got finished with lunch. Now we're going back to the dealership. And
To
then-
another one, actually. Two.
Yeah,
One
after
more.
this one, we're gonna go to another one. It's freezing outside right now.
Another one.
I feel like I'm about to die.
We got a Wawa back over.
Wah, back over there.
I got a wall.
And it's freezing.
Wall.
Yeah. Ronan, help me. It's cold out here. It's so cold. Look at all the cars. So many cars. Jeez. So many cars.
Okay, that's good.
Oh, it's nice to bring in there.
Okay.
Yeah, look at this car. I'll show you.
Yeah. This is the, that's the black one.
Ooh, these are some nice cars, man.
I forgot to tell you. That was good.
Oh crap, I don't know if I was. Uncle Ricky.
I want to see if that's here so I can show it to you.
Where they at? Yeah.
Josh, hurry. Sit down, sit down.
Why?
That's your seat, though.
I'm fine.
Thanks, man. Alright.
Dude. Okay, people, so we just got done out of the dealership. We were in there for a little while. We were in the Cadillac dealership, and now we're going to the Lexus one, which is over there. I think, I don't even know, but there's a Corvette over there. So we're gonna get out of here, go to the Lexus dealership. This thing I want to put it. Oh, there we go. Perfect.
So, but if it does go.
So yeah.
Hurry up, buddy.
Get in, hurry, get in. Get in now.
This is almost the exact same thing.
Let's get over to the side.
Almost.
Wish I could drive through the car wash for you, but the car wash is
Whoa, what the heck?
Well, we had come in
So big.
with service.
Damn, it's so
No,
big.
we only have a car wash for certain months, sorry.
If you want to, when we come back from driving it, if you want, we can pull it into the service drive because there's a lot of light in there too.
Okay.
Maybe get a little better.
Can I give you these to hold?
Mm-hmm. You got it.
Now for two of
So this
perfection.
The 12-inch nav.
Yep, the 12-inch nav, heated seats, cooled seats. It also does have the Lexus Safety Plus package that we were talking about.
Okay.
So you're gonna have a lane keep assist, which is fully adjustable. There's a little button next.
Okay, guys, so we officially picked out the car. We got the one from Cadillac, the Cadillac one. I think that's the one I showed the most. I don't even think I showed the Lexus. I showed, yeah, here we go. You guys can see this. I showed some better, that's the one I'm getting. But I showed some, that's the one I like, did all the red one. Or no, I showed the blue one. I showed the blue one, but we're getting the red version of, whoa. The red version of the same car. So that's the one I did, like I showed most of it. for the Lexus. I just showed like the test drive in there, but that's the one we're gonna be getting. We're gonna be getting it Monday, because we decided last second and they're closing, so we're gonna get it Monday. So that's pretty. I think that's pretty awesome. I wasn't even expecting to get a car. Time to feed these kids. Let's feed them. Let's feed them right now. I think today was a pretty successful vlog. I think I'm getting better at this whole vlogging thing. Hopefully. Oh wait, no, I can't put it in there because then he'll run into. Oh, watch out! See, I had to juke him out. There we go. I'm getting used to getting better at this whole vlogging thing because I'm actually pointing it at my face. I'm actually vlogging in public. Like what? Like what? I've just been getting more used to it and whatnot. I think it's pretty awesome. Oh jeez, I'm spilling it everywhere. Just making a mess trying to vlog and freaking. Hey, don't eat his food. Oh jeez, see, look at that. See that? Never vlog and try to feed cats, or else you'll make a mess. There. Feed for all the kitties in the world. I don't even know what I'm saying. But I'm gonna go live on you now soon. Gonna be broadcasting all night. It's gonna be lit, kid. Why you eating up here? Why you eating here? You gotta eat up there. There. Hey, kitty. Up there is where you go. Up there. Okay. Up there. There. You. There. Yeah. You know, whatever. You do whatever. You do you. Time for food. Okay, hurry up, because it's cold.
Here comes hot boiling water. I'm just gonna throw it out there.
Okay.
Give me the
Come on,
Okay, guys,
Dad.
ready?
Yes.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
That really
Look at all that
freeze.
smoke.
Woo!
Nice.
Okay guys, so I totally forgot to record an outro for my last video, and it's been a couple of days since I recorded that vlog, but I just want to make my outro now. You know, why not? So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that vlog. It wasn't anything really special. It was just us getting our new car. We actually just got that car a couple of days ago. We have it now. In the next video I'll probably show it and whatever, but you guys know what it mostly looks like. We got a red version of the blue car I showed you guys. So yeah, that's pretty much gonna be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe if you guys are new, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.